Is nationalism forbidden in Islam? Nationalism in Islam is not inherently forbidden, but it is often viewed critically when it conflicts with Islamic principles. Islam emphasizes unity among all Muslims, the Ummah, regardless of race, ethnicity, or nationality, and stresses that no group is superior to another except in terms of piety and righteousness. Key Islamic concepts relevant to nationalism. 1. Unity of the Ummah. Islam prioritizes the collective identity of Muslims as one nation, Ummah, above tribal, ethnic, or national identities. Indeed, this Ummah of yours is one Ummah, and I am your Lord, so worship me. Quran 21:92. 2. Equality of humanity. The Quran teaches that all people were created equal, and distinctions based on race, tribe, or nationality have no value in the eyes of God. O mankind, we have created you from a male and a female and made you into nations and tribes so that you may know one another. Verily, the most honorable of you with Allah is the most righteous of you. Quran 49:13. 3. Condemnation of division. Islam warns against tribalism, asabiyya, and actions that create disunity or discord among Muslims. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "He is not one of us who calls for asabiyya, tribalism, nationalism, or who fights for asabiyya or who dies for asabiyya." Abu Dawood, Hadith 5121. When nationalism becomes problematic. If nationalism promotes superiority of one group over another, it contradicts the Islamic emphasis on equality. If it leads to division among Muslims, such as prioritizing a national identity over the unity of the Ummah. If it justifies injustice or oppression against other groups. Acceptable forms of nationalism. Islam does not forbid love for one's homeland or national pride as long as it does not lead to arrogance, division, or disregard for Islamic values. For example, defending one's country from oppression or injustice. Contributing positively to society while respecting others. In summary, Islam allows for natural love of one's nation but forbids nationalism when it promotes arrogance, division, or conflict with Islamic principles of unity, justice, and equality.